How old is these guys? 2 years.
Yeah.
2 months. Yeah, wow. So the mother at home?
Yeah.
Is the mother at home?
Yeah, what?
What is the name? The name?
Tiger.
Tiger
is Rasta.
Rasta Tiger. Wow.
Tiger.
Very nice, man. They're from here, Zanzibar?
Yes.
Say hi.
Ah.
Oh, they like it. They ran away?
Yes.
These monkeys are just from Zanzibar.
Yeah.
That monkey.
Yeah. Best place in the world, huh?
Yeah, really, bro.
Oh my god. Look at this guy. He likes the camera. Here. Here. Look here. Okay. Tiger, he's
Jump.
Tiger.
Jump.
What happened to him? He's angry? He's angry?
Okay.
Okay, bro. Sante. Have a good one, bro.
Yeah,
Take care.
bro.
Take care. Bye. Sorry, brother. What did you say? Zanzibar shit, Tanzania. Oh, very nice, man. How much do you sell them for? How much? Of course, shillings. 75,000. That's how much in dollars is that? Which one? Dollar is high. It's better to pay with shilling, yeah? You're smart, man. Smart. 75,000. Boom, 75. Okay. Tan. So you are selling it for $25. 25, yeah? $25. What do you mean, okay? No, man. Thank you, brother. I have one. I bought one. But I'm okay, man. Thank you so much. Sante. Thank you, bro. I'm good. Good, man. Good. Sorry? Yeah, man. Say hi.
Yeah, man.
Africa.
Yeah.
Africa, yeah.
Have to enjoy, man.
Yes. So what do? You sell weed here?
Yeah.
Nice, man. Nice. Very good. Hashish and weed? Oh, very good. But I don't smoke, man. I don't smoke. Yeah. Nice. Yeah? Okay, man. Maybe I'll see you later, man.
There's no way to get out.
Yeah, I know, but I'm just walking around here, so it's okay. It's okay, man. I walk here sometimes, so I know the way. Yeah.
From here,
Yep.
you can get out on the other side there.
I'll just walk, and then if I can't, I will come back.
Yeah.
Thank you,
Where
man.
from, my brother?
Morocco.
Morocco, Pakistan, good.
Yes, brother. Yes.
My name is
I'm
Solomon.
African, like you.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. Assalamu alaikum, habibi. My brother, I don't have chance. I don't really have chance. I swear to God, I don't have chance. I didn't bring my wallet. Bro, I said that I didn't bring my wallet with me, but I promise you if I see you again, I'll tip you. Yeah, no worries. And this guy, he wanted some cash. Those guys, they sell weed, marijuana, they sell alcohol, everything, and they also ask for money. كما كتشوف الخوت هذاك بغا يدبر بغا كيبيع الحشيش وكيبيع الماريجوانا. قال كي بغيتي قلت له سير الشريف عطينا اتساع سالي قلق نور معانا لا ندفع الكير ما كانش تصور هذا. Wow, look at this beautiful place. Wow, very. It's a nice place, man. This is very good place. With our brother Mohammed. What's your name? Mohammed. You really Mohammed? Wow. It's beautiful. It's a very nice walk right here. It's very good to come to Stone Town and just take a walk. It's beautiful. It's really beautiful. You definitely want to do this walk. It's awesome. Just next to the water and boats right there. And this guy right here. Yeah, if you come here, you should buy from this guy. He's very nice. He's very nice guy. Buy from him, Tanzania. Yes, brother. Yeah, so definitely really good. You have some hotels right next to the sand, to the beach, you know. And not a lot of people. Not a lot of people swimming. Nobody. But I see one guy over there. Bro, I'm really. To be honest, bro, I didn't bring my wallet with me. I didn't. How much? 35,000. You told me 75,000 early. Okay. Okay, but bro, you know what? Let me see the quality. Actually, they're not bad. Let me see the other one. Adidas. They're fake. And they fetch. Okay. Brother, I will buy from you, but not today. You're here. I'm still here. No? I'm doing Ramadan too, brother. Yes. You are here around here, yeah?
Anyway, make for 30,000 shit.
30,000. Brother, I didn't bring my wallet. I swear. Can you believe me or not? I didn't bring my wallet with me. But I promise you, if I see you again, I'll try to buy one from you. You have other colors? Other colors. You know, I'm staying in a sea hostel. You know sea hostel? Yeah, that's what I like. Blue and yellow. You have? Okay, bro. You will find me around here. Okay? Sante. I promise you, I'll buy one from you. Have a good one. Hey, how are you, man? What do you do here? Oh, cannabis? You sell cannabis?
Yeah.
But I'm fasting, man.
Yeah.
I'm doing Ramadan. I cannot smoke here. But thank you though. I appreciate it.
I appreciate it.
You guys just chilling here?
Chill, yeah.
Nice. It's beautiful.
Yeah.
Very nice. Okay, brother. Take care, yeah?
Okay, take care too.
Have a good one, yeah?
Okay.
Sante. Yeah. لا فريق. تبيعوا هذا الجوانات وتبيعوا الماريجوانا. They still hashish and cannabis. Oh man. It's actually really good. As you can see. Now in the night, all the water is low tide, so the water goes all the way down and you can just actually walk into the sand. But in the daytime, like now, the water comes up like high tide, so you cannot walk. All the way up. But it's definitely beautiful. Definitely a beautiful place to walk through. Assalamu alaikum. How are you, my friend? Good? That's what we call Zanzibar. هذه البلاصة اللي كان يطولها Zanzibar Stone Town. So the water is coming up. The high tides will be like in a like hour. You cannot walk here. So yeah. This is Grand Hyatt, one of the 5-star hotels right here. Hey. Sorry? Good, good man, good. Bye. كما كتشوفوا الخوت هذا هو البحر اللي كاين في ستون تاون جاي حدا الفيلاج لاصق على الفيلاج. هنايا كاينين هادو كيديروا جولات سياحيه للناس السياحه اللي كيجيو هنا. كما كتشوفوا الى شتو الفوق راه كاين البورت ديال الامبور اكسبورت. You see over there, all the way over there, that's where most of the goods come from the mainland Tanzania and comes from other countries. Because everything that they have here, it's all imported from other country. ما تشوفوا هاد الجزيرة زنزبار كتستورد بزاف د الحوايج من بلدان وحدة أخرى. داكشي علاش عندهم البورت تمايا ديال التصدير والتوريد. صح بلا راه مسكي. أما أفريقيا هادو كيصيدوا به داك الكرابس. Those they use it to catch the crabs in the water. Hello, السلام عليكم حبيبي. And this is another hotel. واحد اوتيل واحد اخر جاي على البحر على الرمله حتى هو زوين ما بيش فيه داكشي تيبيك. They have that it's a traditional, looks like Moroccan traditional hotel with the curves. Yeah. Hey, my friend, how are you?
Fine, good.
Good. Very good. Good. No hashish today. No hashish. Thank you. No cocaine, brother. Nothing. This guy is funny. هادو الصيادة أصحابنا. Very good, man. Very good. You sell t-shirt there?
Yes.
I'm good, man. I'm good. Tanzania. Hello. Good, brother. Good. Sorry? هذا نجار صاحبنا is a carpenter. They're making. السلام عليكم. How are you doing? كيف الحال? What are you making here? What are you making here?
Taruma.
It's for boats?
For boat, yeah.
Wow, wow. You're a handmade artist.
Yeah.
You're an artist. Wow. What's the name of the wood?
Coco.
Kogo.
Coco.
Wow. It's from Zanzibar here?
From Zanzibar, close to the beach.
Oh wow. Oh wow. It's very strong.
Yeah.
كيف الحال?
Very well.
How is Ramadan? Easy?
Good.
Yes. Yeah, very good. Sante sana.
Thank
مع السلامة. شكرا. Africano. Africano. Salam. Thank you very much. Karibu, it means welcome. Karibu, welcome. Okay, thank you so much guys for stopping by. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please, 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 please subscribe to our channel. Otherwise I will pissed off. I will get angry and they will slap you in the face. So hurry up and subscribe, you guys. Because most of our viewers, they're not actually subscribers. So please help us grow the channel. So we are coming with more videos. We are coming with beautiful content. We're gonna go to Dubai. After here, we're going to Japan. We are gonna be filming a lot of good things in Japan, a lot of beautiful things. So let's go. And then after Japan, never know where we'll be going. So help us grow the channel. Boom.